Hello YouTube. You guys tired of your rabbits chewing these plastic feeders? So today we're going to be going over this J feeder and how to install it correctly. I'm going to try to do this one take for you guys. We're going to see how quickly we could do it. Real quick and simple. All we're going to need is a pair of wire snips, hardware cloth that's already hopefully installed on your rabbit cages, and then the J feeder. This is a Demore from Tractor Supply. It's got this little latch here. I'll show you what to do with that once we get this thing in. So I'm going to do minimal cuts for this. Basically, I'm going to just bring you in a little bit closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. What we're going to do is we're going to measure this out side to side, make our cuts, cut across, cut down, and then install it. Should take less than 5 minutes. Alright, hopefully you guys are going to be able to see this. What I'm doing is I'm putting this right on here, and I'm going to line it up where I want it exactly. And I'm going to make a cut on one side and then the other side. So, make that cut here. And right there. So now I know I can cut everything in between that. And we'll see if we need to go up one more or not. So just like that. Hope this is showing up on camera for you guys. Look how cute Skylar is, guys. Alright, so we're going to try and come down one. All I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this out into the back. Or to us, rather. I think we're going to have to come up one more space. So we peel this out this way because we don't want the rabbit hurting herself. If this will focus. And we're going to have to go one more high. That's alright. You want to take less than you need to. You could always take more. You can never take less though. So basically this is going to be 1, 2, 2.5 of these 1/2 inch spaces. Oh. So now the feeder itself has these hooks here. So once we wedge this into place, we're going to use these right there to latch on to the hardware cloth. So let's see. Let me see if I can get you guys a better view of me pushing this through. Basically just come on over to it and you're going to wedge it through. Might take a little bit of finagling and wiggling, but I promise you it will work through. And the idea with this is you want it to be a tight fit anyhow, just because you don't want any bugs or let's say rats or rodents getting through and messing. So you see that? Oop. So then right there I'm going to push this little lever through and click it right on down, and do the same thing on this other side as well. Push through. Perfect. We may have to go down one more rung, actually. Oh, maybe not. Nope, never mind. Just kidding. Just kidding, everybody. So, we were just hung up. That gives us the ability to come right from the outside when we go to feed, dump our feed right in here, close it. So, this piece right here, let me bring you guys in. This piece right here, I like to fold it. So all I do is I just give it a bend forwards, just like that, and then down, like that. So now, nothing can lift this up, right? Slide it out of the way, lift up, just in case there was a rat or something that wanted to try to get in here, because a rat will definitely give your rabbit a run for their money. Now they can't. So hope this helps you guys. It's quite simple to install a J feeder, and it's a very convenient way for the keeper of the rabbits to feed them. So hope this is informative and helps you guys. If you guys found value in this video, you found it informational, hit the thumbs up button. Appreciate you guys, wherever you guys are at. Have a great day. I'll catch you on the next.